What is up, brothers? Westv brother here, and welcome to another episode of Westv. So for today's episode, guys, I'm really excited because it's very different from what I've been doing from my previous videos. Because right now, I'll be teaching you on how to make your own solid perfume. You heard it right, guys. Because nowadays, solid perfumes are becoming more popular and they're really expensive. So I thought I should make my own solid perfume, right? But before we proceed with the tutorial video, let me just share with you the difference between solid perfume and liquid perfume. So what's the difference between solid perfume and spray-on perfume? Spray-on perfume is our traditional perfume. It has alcohol content, water content, DPG, fragrance oil, and fixative. While solid perfume has beeswax, fragrance oil or essential oil, shea butter or carrier oil. So why solid perfume are becoming popular? First is because it's hassle-free. It's very handy, it's light in the pocket. Second, it is leak-free. Third, it is very discreet. If you want to apply more on your skin, you don't have to spray it on your body, you just have to rub it. Fourth, it is long-lasting. Because it has no alcohol content, so the fragrance oil will not evaporate or fade easily on your skin. And number 5, it is safer on your skin because it has no dehydrating chemicals or ingredients. Alright, so now let's proceed to our video tutorial. So what are the materials and the ingredients that we will be needing? Alright, so we will be needing a pair of gloves, a stainless steel container, shea butter, beeswax, and your fragrance oil. But you can also use your favorite essential oils. But for me, I want to use fragrance oil because it is the easiest way for me to achieve my desired scent. Like for example, this one is Frankie by Ariana Grande inspired scent, and this one is Versace Per Homme inspired scent. And also, I'll be using a carrier oil. So this one is sweet almond oil, but you can also use jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, or fractionated coconut oil. You will also be needing a stirring rod, and of course, a weighing scale for us to measure the ingredients. And not but not the least, for packaging, you will be needing these tin aluminum can. First, we have to measure the ingredients. We will be needing 100 grams of beeswax because I'll be making a 200 grams solid perfume. By the way, guys, beeswax are really hard to slice and to melt, so I suggest you buy the pellet one. It's full already, but yeah, let's bring it back to 0. And then 100 grams of shea butter. As you can see, it's very full now, but later on, when the beeswax is melted, it will shrink. So I'll be putting the essential oil, the carrier oil rather, and it's 25 grams. Alright, 26 grams. Alright, and then we will melt it now. So as you can see, it's melting now, but it will take a lot of time before it will be thoroughly melted. Alright, so I put it inside so it will melt quickly because it's really hard to melt the beeswax. Next time I'll buy the pellet ones because I think it's easier to melt because it's smaller than this beeswax bar. So
So the beeswax is finally melted, and it took me some time to totally melt it.
These are the finished products. As you can see, they're very cute and they smell amazing. Oh, yeah. And I'm telling you guys, this is not an easy process. It took me a lot of time, I think an hour. If this is your first time to make a solid perfume just like me, please be careful because it might go wrong. But for me, I think it was a success, right? But this one is not a success, and this one, it's a mess. But yeah, most of my finished products are good. And yeah, they smell amazing. You guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel right now if you haven't done yet, and don't forget to leave your comments on the section comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Westv, and I'll see you again next time only here on Westv. Bye bye.